Are you looking to attract more buyers to your home? Interior design trends can refresh your space. In 2026, blended styles and simple updates are in. Small tweaks enhance listings and broaden buyer interest. Did you know 32% of American homeowners plan renovations this year? Understanding trends makes transforming your home easier. Let's explore 3 interior design components: floor plans, finishes, and fixtures. First, the floor plan is crucial. It determines furniture size and ensures functional flow. A good floor plan balances beauty and utility. Next, finishes give your space character. Choose flooring, wall colors, and cabinetry with durability in mind. Consider how light interacts with materials for your desired feel. Now, let's discuss fixtures. Kitchen mixers and faucet handles impact style. Though small, they significantly influence modern decor. Interior design trends are evolving. Choose traditional styles for symmetry or modern designs with clean lines. Contemporary styles focus on simplicity and adaptability. For 2026, consider these ideas. Experiment with vibrant colors and mixed design styles. A contemporary chair can complement a traditional rug. Use art to link aesthetics. In summary, remember 3 qualities in interior design: good taste, design mastery, and psychological insight. The 3 S's, efficiency, ergonomics, and elegance, are vital. Use the 3-5-7 rule for visual balance. Group decor in odd numbers. Ready to transform your space? Explore these trends to elevate your home's design.